Hey everybody, today I'm showing you how to start a group chat on TikTok. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Find the profile icon, it's at the bottom right, looks like a little person. Tap it to load your profile page. Look at the top right corner for a V icon or 3 horizontal lines, depending on your app version. Tap that icon to open a menu. Scroll through the options and select Settings and Privacy. You'll see a new page with several choices. Tap Privacy to access the privacy settings. Look under Account Privacy to check if it says Private Account or Public Account. Private means you can only chat with mutual followers, people you follow who follow you back. Public lets you reach more people, but you can keep it private if you prefer. Go back to your profile page by tapping the back arrow or profile icon again. Find the inbox icon at the bottom. It's a speech bubble. Tap it to open your messages. In the top right corner, locate the plus icon, a small square with a plus sign. Tap it to start a new chat. A list of mutual followers appears. Scroll and select one person by tapping their name to open a direct chat. In that chat, find the 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap them to open a menu. Find Create Group Chat and tap it. A new screen shows your mutual followers. Add up to 31 people by tapping each person's name. Check marks appear as you select them. Scroll carefully to ensure you pick the right friends. Once you've chosen everyone, look at the bottom of the screen. Tap Create Group Chat to finalize it. Your group chat's ready to go. Pro tip: after creating the chat, tap the 3 dots in the group chat and set a unique name, like Meme Masters, to spot it easily in your inbox. Troubleshooting: no Create Group Chat option? TikTok restricts messaging for users under 16. Check your age and settings. Plus icon not showing? Update your app or confirm messaging is enabled in privacy settings. Can't add someone? They must follow you back. Send a follow request first. App glitchy? Restart TikTok or your phone.